Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 7, Lesson 52, the self pronouns. Like myself and themselves are handy but easy to misuse. Today, reflexive and intensive pronouns. Chapter 7 continues with the self pronouns. A reflexive pronoun ends in self or selves and points back to the subject of the sentence. Marcus poured himself a glass of juice. Himself refers right back to Marcus, the one doing the pouring. The action reflects back onto the doer. That's the key. A reflexive pronoun is only correct when it refers to the subject. No subject to point back to, no self. The same self forms can also be intensive, used purely for emphasis. The principal herself handed out the awards. Here, herself doesn't receive the action. It just emphasizes that it was the principal in person. The telltale sign? You can delete an intensive pronoun and the sentence still makes sense. The principal handed out the awards. Reflexive points back. Intensive just adds punch. Two common self errors to stamp out. First, hisself and theirselves are not real words, ever. The correct forms are himself and themselves. Second, and this one's everywhere, don't use a self pronoun where a plain pronoun belongs. Priya and myself planned the trip is wrong, because myself isn't pointing back to a subject. It just is the subject. Say Priya and I planned the trip. If there's no subject to reflect, drop the self. So, before you use a self pronoun, ask one thing. Does it either point back to the subject or emphasize a noun right next to it? If it reflects the subject, it's a correct reflexive. If it stresses a nearby noun and you could remove it, it's a correct intensive. If it does neither, you need a plain personal pronoun instead. I, me, him, and so on. No subject to reflect, no noun to stress, no self. Let's practice. Decide whether each self pronoun is used correctly or whether it should change. Pause and try each. Ahim spends much time praising his self. His self is not a word. The correct form is himself, so it's wrong. Carlene, Andy, and myself are the new reps. Myself can't be a subject here. The plain nominative I is correct, so it's wrong. Coco surprised herself by staying calm. Herself refers back to the subject Coco, so it's correct. Now supply the right reflexive pronoun, the one that points back to the subject. Pause and try each. Elizabeth allowed blank 2 hours to study. It points back to the subject Elizabeth, so herself. So herself. We managed to decipher the instructions for blank. It refers back to the subject we, so ourselves. So ourselves. A country that is independent has the freedom to govern blank. It points back to the singular subject, country, so itself. So itself. Let's wrap up. The self pronouns come in two flavors. A reflexive pronoun points back to the subject. Marcus poured himself juice. An intensive pronoun simply emphasizes a noun and can be removed. The principal herself. Two rules to remember. Hisself and theirselves are never words. Use himself and themselves. And never swap in a self pronoun where a plain one belongs. It's Priya and I, not Priya and myself. Great work. In Lesson 53, we'll settle who versus whom.